Unboxing video with my very first thread up box. Now this video is not sponsored, it's just my first time ordering from them, so I thought I'd share with you my experience. Right now during the coronavirus time, I just really miss thrift shopping, so I kind of want to try something to feed my thrift shopping needs, or rather wants. But yeah, let's get started. So I bought like 4 shoes.
Bruh.
Basically shoes that I think I would just use all the time. When you open the box, it's like wrapped kind of cute. Also, I really love thrift shopping just because I feel like thrift shopping is definitely like one of the most sustainable ways to shop, since you're just buying stuff that's already made and you're not using more of the earth's resources. And I feel like it's more unique, you know, than buying something everyone already has. Mostly paid for packaging. You could maybe work on more sustainable packaging though, because there is so many air bags in here. Oh, well I guess for now there's only 2 pairs of shoes out of the 4 that have arrived, so I still have 2 more coming. So these first pair of shoes I got are Ivanka Trump heels. Not necessarily saying I support, but I also really like how these shoes came in leather. They usually come in fabric or suede, which is really hard to maintain. I feel like these shoes are great for any special occasion. I know almost every girl has these, but I just feel like they're so versatile that you can really use them with so many different looks. For the second look I put together, I decided to wear a white flannel over my dress and tie it for a more casual look. It's kind of like you're dressed up, but not too dressed up. You feel me? I don't know, but this look was also giving me sexy librarian vibes, so this is me trying to be a sexy librarian. For this other look I put together with these shoes, I decided to pair it with some plaid trousers and a layered turtleneck top. I also decided to use my black Breton hat to complete this look. And this is the completed look. I think this is a great casual way to wear these shoes, whether it's for brunch or a coffee shop date. This next pair of heels that I got is these really cute Signature by Olivia Miller shoes. These ones are velvet, but they also have a really thick heel, and I know they're really similar to the other pair of shoes that I got, but I just really like the design. I feel like this one gives a lot more of a casual look, where the other one's a bit more classy. I feel like I could both use them different ways. Not really the most minimalistic, but yeah. Honestly, these shoes gave me a really similar vibe to the Doc Marten Gladiator sandals, so I felt like I could style them in a similar way. As you can see, I would definitely wear these with a casual pair of plaid pants. This outfit kind of gave me trendy, edgy Tokyo vibes, but maybe that's just me. I also think these shoes would pair well with a casual dress. And if you want to be extra fashion, you can wear them with socks. I was never really a socks with sandals person, but I kind of like how funky they look with some chunky heels. And for this outfit, I decided to wear it with my black Breton hat and a black box bag. Maybe I'm going overboard with the outfits, but I just have a lot of ideas for what I think I can pair with these shoes. I felt like they would also go really well with a nice button-up skirt and any casual top. In the end, this outfit kind of reminded me of a sexy schoolgirl. I definitely wasn't going for that, but I don't know, guys. I don't know. So we ended up switching locations. As you can see, we're in a different room now, but we did get the rest of my stuff. So the other pair of shoes that I got from thredUP are these suede nude colored heels from the brand London Rebel. These shoes originally cost $73 and I was able to get them for about $20. Pretty good deal, I would say. I actually used to have shoes that were really similar to these before, but they're not working as well anymore. So I decided to change it up and thrift some new ones to replace them, and they're basically like brand new. So I'm pretty happy with this purchase, and I just feel like these you could use to dress up any outfit because they're nude. It's going to be a lot easier to pair them with multiple different looks. I felt like these shoes would be great for any business casual attire, or if you just want to go for a kind of preppy look. To style this outfit, I decided to wear it with my makeshift beret and my yellow crossbody bag. Okay, so for some reason this other outfit I put together reminded me of G from Girls' Generation. I don't know why, but for a more casual look, I decided to pair these shoes with some black denim jeans and a matching top. So after I ended up returning the black heels that were way too big for me, I ended up getting another pair of shoes from thredUP, or rather 2 pairs of shoes, and I actually ended up replacing them with these super comfortable 14th Union heels. These ones originally retailed for $37 and I was able to get them for $17. Because these shoes didn't come with the black straps as the original pair that I got, I actually think that they're more versatile and you can pair them with more outfits. First outfit I decided to style with these shoes is actually a white polo I got from the men's section of the thrift store. I really like the oversized look of it, so I decided to wear it as a dress. And to accentuate my waist, I decided to add a belt to it. And as you can see by now, I usually like completing my outfits with a hat. I also decided to wear socks with this look. Also, excuse my boyfriend because he accidentally got in the footage a few times. By the time we found out, it was actually too late to reshoot it. So my boyfriend was planning to donate this blazer that he thrifted, but I realized it was just the style that I was looking for. And I really like the chic, sophisticated vibe it gives with this outfit. I know the shoulder area is kind of big on me, but I do plan on thrift flipping it to make it my size. Honestly believe shoes make up 50% of your outfit, and I feel like these ones can go with anything. For this next look, I decided to wear a basic pair of black slacks and a white top. I feel like these shoes just give an extra oomph to the outfit. To complete this look, I paired it with my white JWK bag and of course my makeshift beret. And here's another outfit and another one. Sorry guys, I just had so many ideas for how many looks I could pair with these shoes. I got kind of excited and went a little overboard with the outfits. I just feel like even with a bright and colorful look like this one, simple shoes like these can really bring the outfit together. The getting were these raid flats. These ones were originally $48 and I bought them for $24. I really love the turtle detail on them. I feel like it can almost be like a black flat, but because of the detailing, it makes it just a little bit more different. I also really love the gold accent on the bottom. I feel like it just really helps elevate the look of the shoe and also any outfit. For this look, I decided to exchange my belt for a denim skirt. I just think the turtle detailing complements denim really well. For my second outfit, I decided to wear a striped turtleneck. I just really like the idea of mixing these two patterns together. This outfit gave me classic French girl vibes, but without the red scarf and baguette. Here's another variation of the look. I just changed into pants and paired the stripes with some white denim. Okay, so last outfit, guys, I promise. This last look, I decided to wear my shoes with my denim skirt and a black turtleneck top. As you can tell, turtlenecks are definitely a thing with me. I also decided to pair this look with my black and gold clutch, so I decided to take off the gold chain that came with the bag since it was detachable. I just honestly think these shoes would contrast well with any black outfit. Just a fun fact, so on this black dress, I actually changed out the chain on it. So it originally came with this silver chain, and I actually ended up changing it to the gold chain that was on this bag, just so it could match the gold accents on my shoes and also my bag. So just a little fun DIY secret, or what's it called? What are those things called? Hacks. Oh, just like a fun little hack that I came up with on the spot when we were shooting this video. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much if you made it to the end of this video. I really appreciate it. I know we went through a lot of shoes and a lot of outfits, but I'm really grateful if you made it to the end. So thanks for watching. And if you did like this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and like this video.
Mm-hmm.